Today we're going to review a complete set of a ×1 yes exercise in right yaw using the star dot pattern. You can download the star dot pattern at the link in the description. If you wanted to do a ×0 or a ×2 exercise, just use your thumb instead. If you wanted more information on that, make sure to check out our gaze stability progressions video. I'll link it below. Before we get started, remember to have your dot sheet printed out. Tape the sheet onto a wall about arm's distance from you and make sure to have the center dot placed at eye level. There are 9 reps to this exercise, and remember to watch out for your fatigue signs. We're going to begin with the center dot. Now, yaw progressions can sometimes be a little bit tricky, so watch me carefully as I do this. For yeses in right yaw, we're going to begin by turning the head slightly to the right like we're beginning a no-no. And then from there, we bring the head straight forward like this, and straight backwards like this. We come back to center, bring it into neutral, and then close your eyes, take a deep breath in the nose for 4 seconds, and out the mouth for 8 seconds. Now that entire progression, bringing the head to the right, taking the head forward, back to center, into neutral, closing your eyes, taking that breath in the nose for 4 and out the mouth for 8, is 1 full repetition of this exercise. Now, one of the most common issues I see with these types of exercises is that during the up and down motion, people want to tilt their head instead. So when you're over here, it's not a tilt to the side and a tilt back. You are tucking the chin forward straight down and then bringing the head straight back like this. So make sure that there's no tilting while you're doing this exercise. For the second rep, we're going to look at the left dot. So again, we're going to turn the head slightly to the right, then we're going to bring the head straight forward and straight backwards. And this whole up and down motion should take about 10 seconds to complete. Back into the center and breathe. For the third rep, we're going to look back at the center dot. For the fourth rep, we're going to look at the right dot. For the fifth rep, we're going to look at the center dot. Now let's say that after that 5th rep, I began to experience some type of fatigue sign. That's when we would stop this exercise. Take a break and try again a little bit later, but the next time that you try it, I want you to back it down 1 repetition, so we would go back to 4 repetitions. And you would stick with those 4 repetitions for 1 to 3 days before you push forward and try that 5th repetition again, and hopefully at that point you can get through it a little bit easier. Okay, for the 6th rep, we're going to look at the top dot. For the 7th rep, we look back at the center dot. For the 8th rep, we look at the bottom dot. For the 9th and final rep, we look back at the center dot. And that completes a full set of yes yeses and right yaw. Complete this 3 to 4 times per day and remember to take it slow and watch out for your fatigue signs. If you have any questions or need help, leave a comment below, reach out to me at virtualbrainrehab.com or speak with your practitioner if you have one. This is Dr. P, and I'll see you in the next video.